how to download and install Google Chrome on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, first go to Safari application. Here in Safari, you'll have to do is search the Google Chrome. And okay guys, after you search the Google Chrome, you can see on the top the Google official browser. So you'll have to do is click this. And now you can see here the download Chrome button here. You'll have to do to download is click the download Chrome button. And thanks for downloading, just a few steps. First is open the Google Chrome.dmg file from the Safari download at the top right corner of this window. Okay, you can see here. After finish the downloading, okay, you'll have to do is click the Google Chrome.dmg. And now you can see the pop-up. So second, to install this Google Chrome on your MacBook Air is drag and drop the Chrome to this application folder. Okay, here the Chrome, you can drag to the application folder. And okay, copying Google Chrome to application. So okay, just wait a moment. And after that, okay, close this Google Chrome pop-up and the Safari. And third is go to Launchpad and find the Google Chrome. And after you open, okay, Google Chrome is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Okay, click the open button. So, okay, that's it. We have successfully download and installed the Google Chrome on your MacBook Air. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.